So there are lots of semi-custom, over-the-counter appliances that you can buy in stores, that you can go online. You know, in my opinion, unless it is made by a dentist, a properly trained dentist, and it is custom made for your mouth and nobody else's mouth, it's not going to work properly. Also, you know, the positions, the starting positions of these appliances are not arbitrary. They're measured, they're made specifically for that patient, and all of those other appliances that you can get over the counter or online don't offer that, can't provide that, and in my opinion, will not be nearly as beneficial for you, the patient, and that's really what's important.